Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. If you're new, I do videos about cleaning, organizing and cooking. Today I will go ahead and share with you how I roast and brew coffee. This is for the people who never roast coffee at home. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. A spoon, I will make it easier for everybody to make it at home. This is perfect for decaf. This color, light brown. This is good for medium coffee, not too strong. And if you want stronger, you just keep roasting it. perfect for strong coffee that I like. One of those, you just use anything flat. Could be like a flat plate or anything, and let it cool. Hey guys, those are some of my favorite grinders. I've been using those 3 for different spices, but this one is for coffee, and KitchenAid is the best. And this is actually it's you don't need to hold your hands when it's grinding. It's automatic. You just you set it on. This Mr. Coffee, I'm using this one. I really like it, but you can use any of those. Actually, if you need a strong coffee, you can make it a little bit fine. So I like strong coffee, so. This one is perfect for a strong coffee. Instead of this one, you can use a sheet of paper, then you just hold it like this. I will use about half for now. Okay guys, I warmed some milk. I like to put a little sugar. Any questions, please let me know. Okay guys, this is how you roast and brew your own coffee if you like it fresh. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. That's yummy.